they're different sizes, okay? This is why I wanted you guys to put the values up here. All right, this guy is going to pull with how many newtons?
150.
150, and this one? 100, okay? So what is our prediction here? Which way is the wagon going to go?
Towards the red.
To the right, okay, or to the red. All right, so I've made my prediction. I'm going to hit go. And I'm going to look at the outcome here. Okay, I can pause it. All right, where we were at? We were, okay? If I want to reset, all I have to do is hit this orange button, okay? Now, what I want you guys to do, you're about to do 4 different trials of this, okay? And I'm just going to put the same people back up here. And you'll have to hit values and speed every time, or you can just drag them back down. It's up to y'all. Okay? We're going to make a prediction. All right? Just like we just did. Which way do we think they're going to go? Left or right? Then we're going to put the outcome. Okay? Hopefully you guys know enough about unbalanced and balanced forces that you will put the right thing. And then I want you to calculate your net force. So when we calculate our net force, what are we supposed to do?
The largest newton minus the shortest newton.
Yes, okay, so when they're going the opposite direction, we do what? Subtract, okay? But if me and Legion are both pushing this desk going that way, what would I do? I would add, yep. Alright, so right here when you calculate your net force, I'm going to put 150 newtons minus 100 newtons, and that's going to equal 50 newtons. That's my net force, okay? And I want you guys to write it out like that. Does that make sense? Yes? Okay. Now, you can make this like a graph, okay? So, you can put trials, 1 through 4, predictions, kind of like a T-chart, you know what I mean? Just like that. Okay? Alright, I'm going to give you a couple minutes to do these 4 trials, making your predictions, your outcome, and you have to calculate the net force, okay? Yes, sir.
Can I just put like whatever, like for the prediction, can I just put like so I can do it?
Yes, you can either put to the left or to the right. So you'll just you'll put people up on the rope, however many you want to do, it doesn't matter. And you make your prediction, is it going to go left or right? And then you're going to put the really what happens outcome once you hit go. Did that answer your question, Ariel? Okay. So I'm going to give y'all about 3 minutes. If you put, what if the forces going opposite directions equal the same thing, even if the people don't look the same?
It's balanced.
It is balanced, and your net force will be what? 0, correct.
Oh, what if it's like a negative?
did you put in?
Yes. Alright, I know you guys are still probably working on your trials, but some of you guys have finished. Okay, so look up here, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do after this. Okay, so we're going to go back to Google Classroom. There's a Canva link for you. So if you guys will hit that, it's going to take you to a Canva whiteboard. Okay, so think of this like I gave you a real sticky note, right? And we all put our sticky notes up here. That's kind of what it's resembling on Canva. Okay, it's kind of like a presentation. So I can see you guys. It's got y'all's identity hidden. Okay. So it says give an example of unbalanced and balanced forces. So you're going to give me an example of both. Okay, and I want you to use what you did. So use your trials. If you had an example of balanced forces, use that example. If you have an example of unbalanced forces, which you should, okay, use that example. And then what happens when the forces are unbalanced? So what do you see? All right, so here's how I want to do this. You'll go